I'm in my spot. This is where I watch TV. This is where I work on my computer. This is how I sit, which is not too bad, but I've got this neck pillow just to give you a quick look at it. This is what it is shaped. It kind of reminds me of like a dog bone shape, but it's nice and soft. It's got like a plush feel to it. And it also comes with this strap. I don't really care about this strap. Now I know a lot of people do. And a lot of people want to connect it. There's a little loop here and you can connect it here. I am using this at home and I want to tell you, this keeps my neck in the perfect position. And you can see now, some of the people in the reviews, they complained about like wearing earbuds and how this was too stiff and it kind of like pushed on their earbuds. Okay. So I don't wear earbuds, so I don't have to worry about that. And if I did, I don't think that it would really matter unless you were like wanting to lay sideways. But let me put this back. So if I go into the back position, say hi, Chewy, say hi, buddy. So if I go into my reclining position, I'm in a much better ergonomic space than if I didn't have this, okay? So I'm trying to watch TV. This is kind of like my plane of vision. If I put this in, it kind of keeps me a little bit more forward, but that curvature of my neck is supported and I'm absolutely loving it. I feel like for me, it's in the perfect position. A regular pillow falls down. Believe me, I've tried it. It's great at first, but they sag, they fall. They constantly have to be reshuffled. This stays in place. I do not have to reshuffle this. It's like one and done, and I'm super comfortable. If this thing gets flattened down and you need to kind of revitalize it and puff it up, open the zipper up, get in there, do what you got to do, zip it back up, and then you'll be ready to go like it's brand new again. So great little feature there. Definitely check this out. I think it's really comfortable, and that is my quick review. Thanks for watching.